What is up, Fisher fam? Good morning. It is Saturday and we are out here, El Cap. Another invite on my buddy's boat, and we're just gonna get out here and throw everything at him and see if we can't slay a few fish. So quit the chit chat. We're gonna get out here and we're gonna start slaying some fucking fish. Let's go. We're gonna throw on this little frog. Little wide belly frog action. That's what I wanna do. I wanna actually make a carp video, dude. Go just fucking slay some big old carp.
One we were just talking about,
yeah.
Damn, I fucked this right up already. How did that happen? Right here? Lift that one back up.
Good old Palomar knot. Try this little swim bait action. Just tied on the Cinco. Yeah. For sure. Fucking reel sounds dry as shit. My reel sounds dry as shit. Just sounds when I reel it in.
We're going fast or we cruising? We're gonna get up on plane now.
There's a fish on that point somewhere, I bet you. Yeah. Oh my god. I just got wrecked, dude. No, the fucking Cinco. Drop shot it was, huh? There you go. First fish of the day. Oh my god, and it's a nice one, dude. You want the net or no?
That's a good one, dude.
Yeah, it was.
It's like a 4-pounder.
Fuck.
Maybe 3.5, 3-pounder.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Choke that shit.
It's a fatty. Yeah. I've eaten one sculpin. It's pretty good.
Eating it?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever, Adam. Didn't even give me.
There you go. Yeah.
I just caught that fish for you, man. Little guy, though.
Hell yeah. Still fish, dude. I'm still back here. My fucking dick in the dirt.
Funny. I'll just go. Will the sun be coming out?
Adam with the fucking second fish. Another good one?
Not that good. Died though. Keeper. He's hating on. He's a keeper. He's the last one. Fighting, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Fighting like a good one?
Yeah.
Actually, might be a good one. Let's see.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah, son.
My turn. Come on.
As long as you catch the bigger one than me, you'll be good.
As long as I catch one at all. There's one.
Nice. Fuck yeah. Let's roll. Put him on the board. That's a fatty, eh? Put him on the board.
I don't know. No, I think he's little.
Let's see. Uh-oh. Yeah, we're in the same boat, brother. Let's
Fucking
go.
A.
Oh, put him on. And I work for
Ooh, I almost fucked his eye up. Almost screwed your whole day up, bud.
Your first bite on that hook?
Yeah. I usually use these for Cincos though, so you know what I mean? Yeah.
So shit, it was the hook. You would have been slaying it if you had it earlier, dude.
Yeah. First little fish. These bass seem weird, dude. They don't really have a lateral line in them, dude. Why is that? You think?
I don't know. That fish does look a little weird.
Like pale.
Yeah, it's super light, like pattern.
Yeah. Fuck, got the skunk off the boat.
Right when the music got popping.
Yep.
The dancing fish.
Oh my god, dude. Little mid-morning update. It's like 9 o'clock. Been out here since 6. I caught one. Mitchell caught one. Adam caught 2 toads.
2 toads.
Let's take a look at those real quick, actually.
Yeah, do that. Get in there. It's still early.
Yeah, it is.
It's still early.
Here's one Adam caught.
With the toadskies.
Look at that.
Big one. That shit's fat.
Yeah, it is. And the other one's down there.
Could have probably eaten both of them.
Yeah.
For sure.
There's another one.
Is this where we're parking, Hattie?
So, no skunk, but we're gonna keep grinding until we catch some more. It's that summertime bass feel. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the chest and we're gonna get to slaying toads, hopefully. There's one. Yeah. Ooh. Dude.
Good one?
This might be a good one. Nope, never mind. He's fighting though, dude. Little fucking things are aggressive.
Yeah, mine fucking felt pretty good. That last one, it was a smaller one. Still like 2 pounds, but that thing was fine. A little bit bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Chunker.
Yeah, he's a little football.
Oh. Alright, there you go. Ooh, let's bite.
There you go, double. Oh, I lost my fucking worm.
I must be throwing in the wrong spot.
First double of the day. A little football right there. That's a better one.
Oh, another good one. Damn, Adam.
Doubles.
Doubles, baby.
Fuck
doubles.
yeah.
El double.
El double. See you later, pal. Thanks for letting me catch you. It's that fourth one, huh? Oh!
Spin it up, Mike.
That was sick how I put that in the video, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was bad. So look, that one's darker, dude. You can see his lateral line. Fish number 4. I want to see if he does it again. Put that shit in the video.
Bounced off his own wave. That was sick.
Oh, yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, should be good. All right, dude. Thanks for the invite.
Hell yeah. Alright, bro.
Thanks for fishing.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Shit was fun. I'm trying to make it here without eating shit.
Alright, bro.
Later.
Take care.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, that is gonna do it for our little fishing trip this morning. Thanks to Adam for inviting me out on the boat again. It wasn't the best fucking day, but you know what? We got out there and we slayed a couple fish. Adam caught some big ones. And can you expect for the summertime? It gets hot, the fishing gets tough. But you know what? Never give up, keep fishing until you get something. I don't know, dude. But yeah, it's a hot one. We stayed out there and just grinded it out. We threw about everything in our tackle boxes. Maybe even the kitchen sink. I think we threw the kitchen sink out there too, but that didn't get bit either. So yeah, I'm calling it a day. Those guys are still fishing. So I'm just gonna end it here. If you guys liked this video, if you like me going out on these bass boats, I will see if Adam will take me out more. Or maybe rent skiffs or even get my kayak out here. I don't know, dude. Let me know what you guys think down below and we'll try to make some more fishing content for you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see. What kind of fishing do you guys want to see me do? I know my channel's kind of boring. I do the same shit all the time. I know I need to change it up, so drop a comment down below and just let me know what you guys want to see and I will try my best to get it done. So with that being said, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, go down and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, you know I love you guys. Till next time, peace.